how to invest in Bitcoin. That's the topic of this video. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please do consider subscribing. And if you're here as part of the series, thanks for staying with me. If you get any value from this video, please do like it. It would really help out my page and channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. So how to invest in Bitcoin. The easiest way to invest in Bitcoin is through the investing app, Robinhood. Now, there's some pros and cons of Robinhood, but if you're just getting started, this is what I started with, and that's why I recommend it. It's really easy to set up an account, and you can actually start investing within a matter of minutes. So let's go through that here. So if you click the link in my bio, it will take you to this page. And if you sign up through this link, you will get one free stock. And they give examples of stocks that you could win. So you'll go to claim your free stock now. It'll take you to another page where you'll be able to sign up with your name, email, and create a password. And then you'll see this, and you want to hit continue. And you will connect a bank through this system. Once you have selected and connected your bank, you will be taken to the Robinhood interface. Now with Robinhood, you do want to be using it on your smartphone because it is a smartphone app. And so that's what it's optimized for. You will have the option to deposit funds from your bank directly once you've linked your bank account. And while your funds are clearing, Robinhood will immediately give you access to those funds a little bit ahead of schedule so that you can start investing right away. And this is why it's beneficial to use to start investing in Bitcoin if you want to get started right now. So once you're in the Robinhood app, you want to go to the magnifying glass here at the bottom of the screen, and then go to the search for companies, and you can search for Bitcoin or BTC. Once you've selected Bitcoin, it will come up with the current price of Bitcoin. As you can see here, it's dropping a bit and is around $26,000. You can go back to the weekly, you can go back to the monthly, and you can go back to the 3-month, 1 year, and then 5-year, and then 5-year time frame to see how it's doing over time. The cool thing with cryptocurrency is you can also hit live to see what it's trading at this moment in time. And now it is on this video, you'll see it is falling. You can compare the price now to what the price is when you're watching this. But keep in mind that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, you want to have a several year time horizon. Because if it does fall back, it could take 3 to 4 years to recover. So if you're investing, consider investing for, say, a 10-year time horizon. That's personally what I use, and that's why I say that amount of time. Because I have a video about why I was buying Bitcoin back at the 13K level, and I basically talk about how if Bitcoin over the next decade is as successful as it was over the past decade at just a 1% rate, then a $100 investment could get you $3.5 million in the next 10 years. And so for me, a $100 gamble for the chance of a $3.5 million payout a decade from now is well worth the risk. Now back to Robinhood, as you can see, we can go to buy or sell. We don't have any Bitcoin yet. You won't have any Bitcoin yet, so I don't know if the sell option will be on there. But if you hit buy, it'll give you the amount of money you have available, and then it'll say how much do you want to spend. And so say you could put that $100 we talked about, and with the estimated price, it would show you how much Bitcoin you will get. And then when you're ready, you can hit review, and then it'll ask you to, I can't because I don't have enough buying power. But if you had enough buying power, you hit review and swipe up, and it would show you you've invested successfully in Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can get started and invested in Bitcoin in just a few minutes. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general, check out my YouTube channel. I also talk about personal finance and investing and business and entrepreneurship. If either of those things interest you, please do subscribe. If you found this video helpful or informative at all, please smash that like button. Help me improve my like button smash ratio that YouTube apparently sends out to creators. This is true. I just found this out in the fall when I started my YouTube channel and was mostly liking my own videos and was mostly watching my own videos or asking my friends to. So if you found this informative or helpful at all, or you want to continue watching this series, just stay tuned. The next video in the playlist should roll. If you're watching this embedded on another website, consider following the links to my page so that way you can see the rest of the playlist and series on how to get started with Bitcoin. And if you're just watching this on YouTube, not part of the playlist, and you want to see the rest, then I'm going to be talking about how to get started with Bitcoin. So please do check out my page and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.